Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Addictively hot and refreshingly crunchy, this Thai staple has been called the world's best salad. One of the most crowd-pleasing of them all is Som Tum or green papaya salad. This is so good! So, let's do it! In a mortar and pestle, let's add 3 cloves of garlic. Then, let's add 4 of chili peppers. I like medium spice or spicy, enough to wake up my taste buds, but not enough to hurt, not bland, but not blazing. Balanced flavors is the way I like to think of it. Garlic and chilies are first crushed to release their flavors. Moving on, let's add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Keep pounding the brown sugar until it has dissolved. Followed by 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Then let's cut lime into halves and squeeze. Once everything is in the mortar and pestle, let's mix all together until the sugar has dissolved. Then taste. It should be a balance of sour, salty, sweet, and spicy. Adjust as necessary. So good! Next, let's prepare long string beans. Cut into 1 1/2 inch lengths. Then add the long green beans to the mortar and pestle. Let's also add a handful of grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes. Cut into halves. Let's prepare and peel the green papaya. You can get green papaya at just about any Asian market. It's football shape, green skin, and it should be firm. Green papaya doesn't taste like ripe papaya. It has none of the funky smell or taste. Might as well be a completely different fruit. Whatever you do, don't use ripe papaya for Som Tum. It will not be good. Papaya salad is called Som Tum in Thai. Som is sour and Tum is pounded. Each time I make this papaya salad at home, it reminds me of my travels to Thailand. Oops! I just noticed myself. I think I've overdressed. Well, cooking is my date. After the papaya is peeled and washed, let's shred the papaya. I use julienne cutter. It's so easy to use. While green papaya may seem a world apart from the tender orange tropical fruit we all know, green papayas aren't a different species of papaya. Let's add the green shredded papaya to mortar and pestle. Next, let's add dried shrimp. If you like shrimp and you like salt, you will be okay with dried shrimp. Don't be afraid. I'd say they are less challenging than fish sauce. I also added roasted peanuts. Let's keep pounding the green papaya salad. This not only tenderizes them, but it also helps them absorb more dressing. The resulting salad is a sweet, sour, spicy, and savory, with crunchy, crisp, chewy, and tender textures which make it a lot of fun to eat, especially on a hot summer day when your appetite has gone into hibernation. When people think of salads, some leafy, colorful dish usually comes to mind, like all distinctive Thai cuisine. However, Thai salads are hardly the conventional greens a person is used to devouring. One of the most crowd-pleasing of them all is Som Tum, or green papaya salad. Let's dig in. That is Cooking Simply Delicious! Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!